Where do we go to next?
Today's the day we're gonna find Soldado.
We found something!
Those are raiders. The last Inca emperor left behind a gold bracelet as the key to Soldado. Did it on its own.
No, that's impossible.
Time to go.
Buckle up, Sonny. She's got it. Stop them.
Excuse us.
Cool.
Hey, be careful with that.
Whoa.
Oh, what the?
Let me make sure I got this. You and Diego found an enchanted bracelet. We're being chased by Camilo the Crusader and treasure-hunting mercenaries. And hidden in the world's biggest jungle, there is a legendary golden sun which holds the power to grant one magical wish.
Yeah.
Cool. Just checking.
Dora, we're not prepared.
Backpack. Let's remind Diego how we do this thing. Yeah.
Bruh.
We're lost in the jungle.
How can I lead the way if I don't know which way to go? Go, Diego, go!
Maybe you don't need a map.
No map. That's like Boots without his boots.
Girl, preach!
Backpack is missing. Someone must have swiped it.
We got it from here.
No! I'm not an explorer anymore.
But you are an explorer, Dora.
You're right.
I need to finish this.
Vámonos! Vámonos! Let's find Soldado together. I'm Dora the Explorer.